Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, it's been a while since my last video because I had some changes in my life and even technical problems. That's why I couldn't make new videos. But now I'm back and I hope that everything will be okay. Well, this video is going to be about my new maybe hobby or my interest that I've got. But before I start, I just want to um, say something that is really important for me. So excuse this little disclaimer. Well, I decided to make this channel English speaking, and there are some reasons. First of all, I really lack speaking practice. Though the city that I live in is a sister city to Appleton, the state of Wisconsin, uh, we don't have a lot of foreigners in our streets. So I really lack speaking practice. And in Russia, maybe you don't know, but in Russia, just a few people can speak English and speak foreign languages because it's not popular here. We only use Russian, and I don't know why, but Russian people think that they don't need foreign languages because they just love the Russian language and they prefer use it everywhere. So this is the main reason why I decided to make this channel English speaking, because it is a good opportunity for me to speak English more. The second reason is this, political and social situation in the world right now, especially between our country and Ukraine and the USA. Well, in my country right now, there's a high level of patriotism. People just hate other countries and other cultures, and it's so hard to feel free in daily life if you are interested in other countries. For example, English speaking countries, their language, their cultures, their traditions, they are my professional interests because I have special education in this sphere. But people think that I'm crazy and I'm like a betrayer of my country. It is so hard to explain them that Russia isn't the only and the best country in the world. That's why I want to speak English, uh, making videos for this channel. So it is like my way to feel free in my interests. And the last reason is my desire to make this channel really international, to help people to understand the Russian life. For example, I live in a regional city, which is not a town, it is a city, but still it is very peaceful and really poor. Our life is so poor. We are not Moscow. We're not St. Petersburg. We don't have money here. We don't have even well-paid work. So maybe it will be interesting for people from all over the world to know more about such kind of life. So that was the information that I wanted to say to you, because it is so important for me to feel free in the languages you like, in the cultures you like, and feel free in living the life you like. And right now I'm going to show you my new hobby, which is maybe a little bit strange for a girl of my age, but it is pretty common in Russia. So let's get into this video. Oh, it's a little bit uncomfortable here because I'm too tall for the camera. So right now I'm on my balcony. This is a part of my apartment. And I'm gonna show you my children. I don't know how to say them. My kids, little kids, they're my plants, and this is my tiny mini dacha. So first of all, I think that I'm so sorry it's so hot here, but it's going to rain soon. So I feel very sweaty. Okay, first of all, I want to tell you about what dacha is. In Russia, it's really common to have a dacha. Well, it's just a piece of land which you can buy, or you could get uh, in the USSR. Or my grandfather had it. Now I'm the owner of this dacha. And this piece of land you can use for building something, for example, a house, I don't know, some different stuff. And also you can use dacha, of course, for growing plants, growing vegetables, growing fruits, berries, and flowers. So a common dacha is a place where you can grow something and take some rest, because some people don't want to grow plants. They just use their dacha for, you know, barbecues, drinking alcohol, and hanging out with friends and family. And you hear that? It's raining. And I'm going to go to my dacha. But okay, here at my balcony, I have my tiny piece of dacha because I'm not a specialist yet, and some of plants just okay, they couldn't grow and they just died. That's why I decided to plant some vegetables and herbs here at my balcony. I used special soil for them, and here they grow very well. Now let me show you my tiny vegetable and herbs garden. See, I didn't lie to you. It is 29 degrees Celsius here, and the humidity is high, so it is quite hot here. And this is my little garden. Okay, so let's start from my little tiny flowers. Can you see these ones? So they're so tiny. They are eustomas. So I have 3 types of eustoma here. The white one, which is called flare, I think so. I'm right in pronunciation. Eustoma, which is light purple and is called Twinkie. And eustoma, oh, I don't know how to say this in English. I will add the name of this kind of eustoma during the editing this video, but it is white as well, and this is very, very tiny. And this one, which is bigger, eustoma, this, and that one, they are carnations. They're purple carnations. I really like carnations. Some people think that they are, you know, cemetery flowers, because carnations, well, in Russia, carnations used as flowers for funerals and for, you know, the funeral ceremonies and like memory ceremonies. That's why people think that they are funeral and cemetery flowers, but I really like them. They are so beautiful. Here, right in front of me, in these little color pots, I have Welsh onion or spring onion, whatever you call it.
it grows well, but when I try to grow it at my dacha, it just died. So I don't know why. Maybe because of all this, you know, harmful grass around. Maybe because the conditions weren't very good for onion, but it died. And here at the balcony, in a special soil for veggies, it grows pretty well. Right behind spring onions, I have my garlics. And I grow garlic just for using this green part of it. I use it for salads, for side and main dishes, because I think that this green part is much milder and it tastes, you know, better and softer than the garlic itself. So I prefer using the green part of garlic for cooking. And right behind in this big brown box, I have little parsley and purple basil. I really like basil, how it tastes, and I like parsley. For example, I'm not a fan of dill, so I decided to grow parsley and basil here. As for parsley, it can grow pretty well in open air, but as for basil, it is pretty, I don't know, it's pretty hard in growing. So I decided to grow it here, and as you can see, it grows well. But still, it is still tiny because it needs more time. I hope it won't die, at least. And the best part of my little garden is cucumbers. If to be exact, it's cornichons or pickled cucumbers. It has flowers already and even tiny cucumbers. So I have two, how to say, two bushes of cornichons. This one is called Gerda, I don't know how to say. And it grows not so well as that one. And I hope that I will get first cucumbers pretty soon. So this is it. This is the tour of my little garden. And this is my hobby because I've never loved growing plants. I've never loved, dacha. But right now, when I'm the owner and I'm responsible for it, I feel inspired and I feel really interested because I like experiments. I like to do something and to see what I can get from it and how things turn out. So for me, it's like a interesting journey in the new world of planting and gardening. I hope I will success in it and maybe we'll learn something new about this world and this life. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for having me today. Yes, I understand that my videos are pretty rare, but since now, I hope that I will be able to make them much more often. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye.